Welcome, in front of me is a Navitel T787 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by just swiping down like this. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and here you will see a screen recording toggle. And all you need to do is simply tap on it. It will give us a couple options. So we have record audio, and we can record either the device audio. Just tap on it, I guess. There we go. So we have device audio and microphone, or just device audio. So you can select whichever one you want. And obviously, if you don't want to record any audio, just keep this off. And then below that, we have show touches on the screen. I will enable it just so you can see how that looks like. From there, we can select start. So we'll begin a countdown, at which point we'll then begin recording. There we go. And here's the touches on the screen. You can see this dot following my finger. That is to imitate where my finger is pressing the display. It will be visible on the recording. Obviously, whatever app you will open right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, to stop the screen recording, just get back to your notifications, and here you will see the recording screen. Stop. And there we go. Now, once you stop it, the screen recording itself will be located in your Photos application. You can navigate to Library from here, though I first select on Backup. There we go. So we can navigate to Library, and in here you'll find an album called Movies. And as you can see, there's my screen recording. Now, I'll mention one more thing here. When recording your screen, you might encounter some applications that will block it. So when you encounter apps, what will happen is they will block the actual image. So all you will have is just fully black screen. But they, I guess, have no way of blocking the sound. So as an example, Netflix is one of those applications. So if you try to record shows like that, you'll get a black screen with sound. But obviously, when it comes down to shows, you probably care more about the image rather than the sound. So just keep that in mind. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.